Hello everyone. I'm Maria, and welcome to Maria Daily English.
Hi Maria. I'm John. Today we're clearing up confusion around three words that learners mix up all the time: either, neither, and rather.
Exactly. They look similar, but they have completely different jobs. Let's break them down simply.
I always get confused. When do I use either?
Great question. Either means one of two options. We use it in positive sentences when both choices are possible. For example, you can have either tea or coffee. Either Maria or John will call you.
So it's like saying, choose one, but both are okay?
Perfect. The structure is either plus option A plus or plus option B. Either we go now or we wait. You can sit either here or there.
Got it. Either equals one of two, both acceptable. What about neither?
Neither means not one nor the other. It's the negative of either. We use it when both options are not possible. For example, neither tea nor coffee sounds good. Neither Maria nor John called.
So it's like saying, both are wrong, I don't want either one.
Exactly. The structure is neither plus option A plus nor plus option B. Neither rain nor snow will stop us. I like neither pizza nor pasta.
Important note, neither is already negative, so we don't add not. We say, I like neither, not, I don't like neither.
Brilliant. That's one of the most common mistakes. I don't like neither is a double negative. Correct. I like neither or if I don't like either.
Now what about rather? That one seems different.
It is. Rather is used to show preference. We often use it with a would. I would rather. It means you prefer one thing over another. For example, I'd rather stay home than go out. She'd rather read than watch TV.
So, rather is about choosing what you prefer, not just any option.
Exactly. The structure is would rather plus base verb plus than plus base verb. I'd rather walk than drive. They'd rather eat early than late.
Let me test this. Sentence 1, you can have either cake or ice cream.
Correct. Both are good options. Choose one.
Sentence 2, neither cake nor ice cream looks fresh.
Perfect. Both options are not good.
Sentence 3, I'd rather have fruit than cake.
Excellent. You're showing your preference.
What about questions? Would you rather go to the beach or the mountains?
Perfect question structure. Would you rather plus verb plus option A plus than plus option B?
And negative. I wouldn't rather go out tonight.
Small fix. We usually say, I'd rather not go out tonight, or I prefer to stay home.
Noted. Let's try a natural conversation using all three. I'll start. Maria, do you want tea or coffee?
Actually, I'd rather have water today. Neither tea nor coffee sounds good right now.
No problem. You can have either still water or sparkling water.
I'd rather have still water, please. Thanks.
Sure thing. By the way, would you rather meet tomorrow or next week?
I'd rather meet tomorrow. Neither day is bad, but tomorrow works better for me.
Perfect. Tomorrow it is. You can come either in the morning or afternoon.
I'd rather come in the morning. Thanks for being flexible.
See how naturally we used all three. Either, or for options, neither, nor for rejecting both, would rather for preference.
Exactly. Quick review. Use either or a for positive choices. Use neither nor A for negative choices. Use E would rather, then A for preferences.
Common mistakes to avoid: don't say, I don't like neither, say, I like neither, or I don't like either. Don't say, I would rather to go, say, I'd rather go.
Practice tip: when making choices, ask yourself, am I offering options, either, rejecting both, neither, or stating preference, rather?
If this lesson helped you, please like this video, subscribe to Maria Daily English, and share it with a friend who mixes up these words.
And practice time. In the comments, write one sentence using a either, one using a neither, and one using a rather. We'll read and correct every single comment.
Keep practicing, stay curious, and remember, small word choices make a big difference in your English.
Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next lesson.
Bye everyone. Keep speaking.